substances or who have never gone through depression point a finger at us. Let me use the word us. You mess us up. The world that the money into what we are doing is wrong. Money. When we were growing up, they always told us there are two voices. The words. That's why I say this addiction or depression is very spiritual. Yet the word is just they are shaitan. But again, amplifier. So we have best being in the talk that come one time. Yes, seeing that. I got to believe it when I went through what I went through. But the other small voice that tells you what you're doing is wrong is this small, because I've heard it before. I've attempted suicide 6 times. The reason as to why I can still be able to stand and talk about what I went through is God. And second, I don't want anyone to go through what it is that I went through. I don't. The fact that 21 of the UNMF is about musicians, that is it. Maybe it's a blessing that I'm a musician. So I went through this. Medians and one piece of video. Remember we have in sound videos, R.I.P. Jackie. We shall miss your music. Come on, we're the video. Several of our video into we shall miss your music. Maybe one and maybe do another video. How do you think I felt? It is we move from Mawano, I'm coming out. Me is whatever it is that I was abusing, I'm not saying that I'm not condoning or saying it is good. But what I'm saying is one. For me I had a back problem. In my legs, I had a problem. Madam here has a problem. I had a problem. But what I was using is called Pepladine. And by the way, outside this continent, it's called Demerol. It's what killed Michael Jackson. If you didn't know. It's what killed Michael Jackson. So I was working on my pain, but it had other things goodbye that it was doing for me. I suffer from chronic insomnia. Naseva. Nino Castanfone is saying, Pepladine. When you have doctors here, you know it. Castanfone is saying, Banana name. Ndio upandise kwa mvitu babloga media muandise kino this has gone out nzuka kumatanga sino chenzi kipida tenera bilo mumi kwanza nkolachi ningamba at least ukona comfort here. But you see with that time when I come to talk about my friends, when I come to talk about the people around me, somebody spoke about speaking to people. This and this has happened. Not even 20 minutes pass. You know, just about the internet. No, they are tracking my phone. No, took a point, no gamba. Who in God's name can I trust? The doctor spoke about bottling things up. We bottle things up. There is nobody that you can trust because go get a woman, don't go in it, and it is just money. The time when I was taken to, there are pictures of mine which came out with bottles and injections. You know they were paid for? But you know they are classified photos? They are classified photos. But I took a point now where I was. No longer if I can come out of rehab and then everybody saying R.I.P. Jackie, then Sanze Wabueru, Kankolechi, Kangendeleta, since Mulemo Kumpaiza, because Sawunga, okay, Uncle the Sanjaka, Uncle the Sachi, Kanko the Sedi, Kankolechi, Ngendeleta. Nina Muhammad in Apulanichi, and that. So for me to sit here with everybody else, with everyone here on this panel, and people who care about mental health, by the way, I'm stressed. By the way, 5-star hotel, residential suite. Umule, Nivakuwa champagne, Nivakuwa, what is it? We've been out here, you know presidential suite. Bakuwa Bulichimo. Leo mutaizo kujangaina musujja, Nivamuteka number 1. Leo mutagamba nti I'm stressed. Later to Uganda, zinagamba ko omuntu one time nti I'm stressed. Naye gwabaaki. Ndoza visa zikutawanya ku. Otambudde nnyo mu bazungu. That is stress, what is that? People do not understand that. So mental health, when it comes to the decisions you make, under normal circumstances olina okukola decisions nga mentally oli bulungi. Kati fenga bayimbi wano jukira oli okay, let's take an example oli upcoming otambudde ogenze ku stage tebakuvuma from when the song has started ne DJ n'akusaasira n'asika ki oluyimba ovaayo. What do you think? And yet you have worked maybe for 6 months okufuna sente okusasulira ki that one song. What do you think that artist is going through? Kati gwaza okukwata godi bukabalira event mujja muvuma. But you're not thinking about what that person is going to go through in that zeyowa ewaka. You won't think about that. Let's put aside addiction. There are people here who work in offices. Job for years, they're in a certain post. Then somebody walks in. They were warm. Because of money, this is about experience. You know, the world is different right now. It's about experience. Position. Every time when the person is given that position, what is this person doing? You are one of the female, what are you telling me now? Or that is a you don't want post. But if you're not there, no gamba. With all the expertise that I have and experience, why in God's name are they giving this person? Never know who I'm in. But imagine they sack you, not die off in Waka. Then you have to apply to different places for work. You get to those places, you know, there is someone so never have a quality, they don't employ you. You go back home. So you're trying this over and over again. When you get back home, you're thinking, not so much, why? What am I not doing wrong? Do you know what's enough for depression? It's enough. But for you, let me speak for you on the outside. I want to know that, for example, an addict or about depressed. Everything is, by everything, it is connected to Ninjaga. That is the weirdest thing. That's why I don't understand the German. But still, they don't think. Because they don't want to talk about still, that is really a what? An addiction. In the talk about laptop, it's an addiction. When the talk about studio, it's an addiction. In the talk about porn, is an little bit of the water, it made a hole in the mattress. We add the Tarachi, porno. What about porno? They are the Pekamo Bunde, Mufan, so Fachi, porno. But you will not understand that when you talk to set of speakers, and if you look at us, that we will tell you. But you will not understand where this thing comes from. That's why when it comes to mental health, even the addiction, depression, and what would ask where this thing comes from. We have doctors here. I hope one of our doctors here can explain what dopamine is. My issue started with the back problem. Anytime you talk about a drug, the pain disappears in 30 seconds, but now I cannot know. Remember, I have a chronic insomnia. Now I cannot know. I see nothing that happens to me. It's a bit of an also hungry, fresh. Like, that's what, fast forward. There is no action that you do on this earth that has no consequence. That's why depression, addictions are very spiritual. Very. Tell me about studio, that again, I had insomnia. Every time I was awake in the night, YouTube, call research, never some this, that. And as a city take it until I just don't sleep. I suffer from insomnia. Then when I found a Kaisa, I know the sleep which I had. I can't explain it. Na lot of Chimu, na lot of movie, butterflies, not. And because I could not explain to people, I kept doing it. Even when the doctor was done with me, it is just, you are addicted. And I thought, it's okay, I have money, I'll do what? I'll do it. Because there's nothing impossible when you're not saying. When you have money, nothing is impossible. So I got the drug. And then by the time I was using that drug, the media nearly something which happened to me before nature got into depression for that issue. And on top of that, by the way, for the media, what you call it for purposes of money. Money is not everything. I had money. I'm talking about money. I'm fueling, my husband is fueling a jet of what? About 40K US dollars. I'm going to buy a show party of $300 just because I'm bored. So money is not everything. People take years to build their names. For you, take just 1 minute or 30 seconds to destroy somebody's name. So what do you think they go through? Take time with your work effort. That's why I asked, you have a question?
No, I was just moving the microphone.
Transparency, I'm not wasting much of your time. So when it comes to mental health, like Harriet said, this is a very silent disease. It's not just about mobile and what. Osanga shiba ali wano, Iliana ali wali, wano Kenzo wali, Kenzo afulumiza. Afulumiza bana ayina business. Nenda kola. Shiba wuyo sipika. What am I going to do? Lilian Tawan. Nenda kola tia. You will have pressure. Let me tell you, it's good to compete, but always compete with yourself. Don't compete with anyone. Don't compete with anyone. There are shows which they call Lilian for in Rwanda, which I can't go for. One has in Sabra Rwanda, in Sabra. Now Lilian, that is her genre. Which take it. There are shows you can't call me to Cote d'Ivoire, but they can call who? Kenzo. Ate nange nenkola ati nenjigiriza. There are shows where they will call Shiba, and nange nengamba wano sisobolawo. Since sisobolawo naye, it will be hard for me. So as artists, you have to accept that. Accept where you can fit. Accept where you cannot fit. Don't try to fit in everyone's shoes. I can tell you the truth. You know Coachella? Now I'm a singer, I'm a musician. But if you ask me to sing at Coachella, I will tell you, give me 3 years. 3 years to get ready. People take 8 months. Beyonce took 8 months. People take 8 months. At Beyonce, she has the people who sing for her. You understand? Katini, I'll tell you, give me 3 years. In that Coachella. But see, this is what I believe. Since I can't dance, it's just that level is different from mine, and I accept it. I accept it. So you don't have to push yourself to a level to fit in each and every shoe. That's the reason as to why Elia Bambararia, Titanic, big shoes, then there are those who wear what? Small shoes. Don't try to fit in a shoe size that isn't yours. Whenever you can't fit in it, take time. Whatever you say, what am I not doing wrong? What am I not doing right? If you bounce back to the other life, if you're in a relationship, if things are not going well, where will they? What am I doing wrong? If somebody around you can inform you, and you're like, okay, this I'm doing wrong, can be able. But even when they try to make something right, because nothing is impossible when it comes to God. Nothing. I said we talk he knows what it is that we are going through. Actually, he will never make us go through something. We are not people who handle it. The only thing is, it is you who loses your faith. No marketing ekintu, no kolaki, no vaako, no deliberala. Look at Job. He had everything. Slowly things started happening to him. He was a very rich man. Everything went wrong, and wrong. And the wife came to him and said, why don't you curse this God of yours? He said he will always be there for you. Look at your skin. You are smelling. Do you know what he said? The Lord my God knows what it is that is happening to me. My God will deliver me. Allah, stop God, will see you through anything on this entire planet. There is no way in which I can be alive because the drug which killed Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, even when he said he was broke, my whole of my music career. Michael Jackson, but why am I alive? The same drug and he's dead. Because probably he was not going to be able to speak openly about that drug of his. But for me, I will speak about it. When I talk about it, nimechawa. Singo muntu. Nimechawa tingo mukazi. And you know when it comes to women, you know how we take care of ourselves. You have to behave 3-4 times a day. We're not going to go. You know why? Because I felt God had deserted me. When I attempted suicide, God did not allow me to die. It is hot. I'm not feeling hot. But in heaven, Batugamba, it is supposed to be happy. So every single time I tried to commit suicide, God kept me alive. And originally, by the Nagana Rehab, when I was rehab, back home, forgive me, I speak. I went to Charlie, now, my money is great, now my money is jacket. Okay, someone come up, then money, and call you. Someone will say, I'm just useless. You know what we are in the creative industry. But now I can't go to studio, no, you can't write. You feel useless. You feel useless. You feel useless. 30 minutes before that, I became and picked me up from what? Rehab. And that was my last suicide attempt. That's why today I can be able to speak here and I can speak to you and tell you one thing. That the moment you have your faith, that's number one, you will be able to go through any challenge. There is no road which is to success, which is smooth. I should tell you. You know, one of our music, you know, there's going to be some. Your challenge is coming. Nothing is going to come straight. The challenges are there for purpose. They're not there because God doesn't love you. They are there because God wants to strengthen your faith. That's the reason as to why we have challenges. So whatever it is that you do, put God first. And also, I will come back to the media. More important, because you can make or break us. So I got to social media for about 2 years also. Then I had about 11 pseudo accounts. And I even had people who would pick money for my rehabilitation from funds. But you see, at that point I didn't hear anymore because media in Uganda Mwansula wali temwatwala time okumbuuza nti Jackie kyekirimu kikiddala naye nga they will get to a point if I choose to comment somewhere randomly and I'm negative, maybe slightly neutral on something, but narenjaga ekyali ku mutwe kati olowooza mulowooza njaga is the worst thing on earth. Mumanyi abantu bakozesa ebintu. Do you know people use things? Nze nagenda mu rehab nantegeera nti omuntu ne waŋŋamba kati nti enjaga is making him go what ng'otunulirawo ate njaga aye nsirika busirisi because kati nkitwalanga something. It's bad. It is bad. But according to what I've seen, it is something like. So when I stand here and I speak about this whole addiction and mental health being something very spiritual, and I say that whatever it is that you have to go through mentally, you need God. Don't point your finger at it, because for me being alive, it is God. That's number one. And number two, there's a health part when it comes to addiction. There's doctors here. I don't know if you can explain how dopamine works. Me, I had a back. Yes, I was using Betadine because of a back problem. Time I talk about, even when I'm sleeping, my brain tells me, what to take ayoko kukachi, kaiso, webachi. To make my back white. Pain. Neither it's something in the brain. Hopefully doctors here can explain it to you. I'm not saying it is, since you're using what you're using, depend on the fact that what you're dopamine. Don't. What I'm saying is, what it is that we do, whenever it is that I did what I did, I always wanted to be alone, because I had the peace of where to work as a little guy. We've always grown up in the Christian, so that's the truth. So for whatever it is, don't point the finger at us. Nemutugamba nti music yetukozesa so make that. Don't do that. So for ladies and gentlemen, those who are outside, the ones that are addicts or those who are depressed, wetaba yomu counseling okutegeera nti wetaba okutegeera nejetuva. For you, then from there you can talk, but don't ever point a finger and judge us for that.